Slick Nick, welcome to my oral canal. Perfect timing. I literally just finished some light bondage play with my new friend, Nameless Ultimatum Goon, and we're off to execute my totally awesome plan.
Hello? Hello, is this Mr. Deadpool?
Wait a minute. You're not Nick Fury, unless they're going back to the David Hasselhoff version.
No, sir. I'm Carl.
Oh, sorry. Carl. Hey, man. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Thanks. Thank you. How are you, sir?
Doing good. Thanks. How long has it been, Carl?
I don't think we have met, unless you were at the Shield mixer.
Oh, yeah. That's right. I don't fucking know you. Great chat, Carl. Good catching up, but for real, put Fury on the line.
So, I'm sorry and everything, but I was told that I am the designated SHIELD agent for your current mission of regaining control of the missing SHIELD helicarrier from the terrorist organization known as Ultimatum and their leader, Flag Smasher.
What a shitball Sunday. No Fury, no Coulson. I can't even get a Maria Hill or someone from that show that had a big dog in it. I get a Carl?
Yeah?
Tell me, Carl, you down with my epic plan to get that helicarrier back?
I don't actually know your plan, Mr. Deadpool, sir.
Oh, Fury loved it. I think his exact words were, greatest and most awesome plan I ever heard. Probably because he doesn't trust you yet. Have you paid the blood toll and offered a piece of your body to the Hellmouth under Fury's eye patch?
No? Was that in the manual?
That was a joke, Carl. You know what? Screw it. Everybody has to start somewhere. Ready to get this show on the road, new guy?
Absolutely. Ready when you are, sir.
Surprise! LOL! You can do it. Hold on just a bit long. Whoops, never mind. And send in the clown cars. Ultimatum party crashers, Carl. Hard to say. They're all clones with the same 3D model.
Oh, well, that isn't good.
It's good for the gold brickers who didn't have to do any extra work. Such inhumanity. By the way, great job, random driver. You performed really well under stress and duct tape. I'm sure your remains will get a promotion or something when all this is over. Seatbelts save lives. Bullets take them back. Eat this.
Mr. Deadpool, sir.
Deadpool, Carl. Just Deadpool, okay? Carl, such impure thoughts about a coworker. But oddly, that does sound fun. Oh, gonna puke. Driver, stop yapping so much. I almost missed shooting your bestie in the face. Old McDonald's Chateau coming up. Swerve left. You know Chateau means big-ass barn. What the fuck? Ultimatum guy goes squish. Maximum effort, driver. Bridge is out. Bet your sweet ass that a big jump is coming up, Carl.
Thank you for the compliment, but are big jumps a good thing, sir?
Ask your mother, Carl. I jumped her big last night. My mother's dead. Fuck yeah!
Cut.
Mr. Deadpool, are you sure you know where you're going?
Carl, do you think I'm an idiot? I am a board-certified professional.
No! Sorry, sir. I was totally out of line.
Thank you. Unrelated, I am dizzy as hell from all the blood spray and the players spinning their head all over the place. What am I supposed to be doing again?
Retrieve the stolen shield helicarrier from ultimatum and take out their leader.
Get the helicarrier and face fuck Flag Smasher with a big knife. Like I said, Carl. Certified professional.
Sir, the barricade.
Forget the barricade, Carl. It's the end of the song.
What does that mean?
Super fun time finale mayhem. Thanks again. Good luck on that promotion. Oh, shit.